Hello everyone, Adrian D. Holmes here, and I'm back at you with another exciting video. Although my birthday was well over a month ago, and although my day trip to Minneapolis was definitely a big present for myself, I did receive one other gift that I especially enjoyed, and I do want to share it with you right now here on this video. I'm not sure if you're much into unboxings, but I'll admit I am kind of a sucker for unboxing videos. You know, when you're lying in bed bored on YouTube at night, what else do you expect to do? Just sit there and watch cat videos all night? I mean, for some people, yeah, sure, maybe, that's fine. But cats aren't my thing, so I kind of go for other things, like watching Simpsons and Family Guy and unboxing videos. So anyway, let's get into it.